switching out your older style front door with side lights into a double front door. Hello, I'm Dan Watkins, owner of All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. And today I want to talk to Atlanta about switching out your older style front door with side lights into a double front door. A lot of companies will tell you it can't be done. And the reason they tell you that is because they don't have access to a door that can do this. And we do. Common in Atlanta to have odd sized side lights. And that's why people can't get the two doors. When you take the side lights out and the front door, you put two doors in its place. It gives it a big grand look, totally transforms the front of your home. And I know with our front doors, we can do this. That's what we specialize in, is taking those side lights out. If you have a transom, we take the transom out and make the doors even bigger and taller. And again, it gives your house a much grander look. It's one of the best returns on investments that you can make in your house. It's gonna transform the way your house looks and feels. You're gonna get that money back along the way with energy efficiency and when you sell the home. So when you need these services, you need to call All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. We specialize in taking your old style front door with side lights and turning it into a beautiful double door.